I'm going to walk you through how to turn off disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First thing is open up your WhatsApp and then tap on three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, tap on privacy, and then scroll down to disappearing default message time under disappearing messages. Tap on it. You can see it's on for 90 days. Tap on off. Now when it is turned off, all new individual chats will not start disappearing message set to any timer. It will not affect your existing chat. It's as simple as that. So in case you've already done it for individual messages before, you can simply go to individual message where you set the disappearing messages before and turn it off there. This is where individual message where I turned on disappearing messages. You can see it over here. So what I'll do is highlight it like that and turn it off. It's as simple as that.